The journey begins with the ultimate foundation, a single-piece carbon fiber monocoque chassis, where advanced automation meets masterclass mechanical engineering. The heart of the beast, the meticulously crafted twin-turbo V6 engine block. Every minor component is engineered to optimize airflow and power response. The next era of speed, a hybrid system delivering instantaneous torque.
High-output battery cells, perfectly positioned for optimal vehicle balance.
Pushrod suspension ensures the F80 grips the tarmac like a dedicated racing machine. Ultimate control, stopping power delivered by advanced carbon ceramic braking tech.
The titanium exhaust is not just light, it creates the pure, visceral Ferrari soundtrack.
A cockpit of the future, where digital innovation serves every sense of the driver.
Total command at your fingertips via an F1-style steering wheel.
Luxury meets performance in every meticulously crafted stitch. Perfection leaves no room for error. Precision must be absolute.
The legendary Rosso Corsa, the vibrant soul of Ferrari, is coming alive.
The deep, lustrous finish, built to endure and shine through generations. Gull-wing door design, merging aggressive aerodynamics with pure presence. Active aerodynamics allow the car to automatically adapt to any speed. Downforce optimized, engineered to devour the tightest corners. A panoramic view with advanced curved windshield technology. Connected to the tarmac by the most advanced tire technologies on Earth. Every critical system is now being prepared for activation.
The roar of the V6 hybrid engine awakens every performance instinct.
Intelligent lighting systems designed to pierce the darkness. The hallmark of pride, the iconic Ferrari prancing horse.
Final validation, making sure every single horsepower is accounted for.
Pristine perfection in every millimeter before meeting its owner. Meeting the absolute strictest quality standards of Maranello.
The moment of rollout. A new legend is officially born.
From the workshop floor to Fiorano, the F80 claims its territory.
Ferrari F80 2026, the pinnacle of technology, an icon of the future.